Thank you for watching another episode of Stoleno's Reviews. Today I'm reviewing just actually a quick. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching another episode of Stoleno's Reviews. First of all, I want to thank you to all of my subscribers for subscribing, and we're getting the goal is to get 100 by the end of August, and I'm at 12 right now, so still a ways to go. Please do hit the like button and subscribe if you find my content helpful to you. Today we're reviewing the High Godo. I'm going to call it the Justice Warrior. Previously I did one that was the green one, which I called the Destroy Warrior. This is the red one. It should be, I'm going to call it the Justice Warrior. It is a part of their City Action Mech series. You'll notice I've got a whole stack of boxes here, and that's because, so this should be our red one here, which we'll open in just a moment. This was the green one. There you go. You notice they are in the exact same box. So you can see on the back side they give you 4 different options for the City Action Mech series. I've got the red and the green. Also of note, I bought another one because I enjoyed the first experience so much on the Destroy Warrior. And you'll notice there are, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible mechs on there. But the mech in this box is not any of those. So they definitely recycle their boxes, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it does, you know, give you a little bit of a start. And I happened to read in one of the Amazon reviews that while, yeah, there's 5 different mechs pictured on here, none of those mechs are the ones that you ordered. So it's a little bit, I think it'll be a little bit hair-raising there briefly while you're not sure whether you got the right product or not. That's probably the only compliment there, or criticism. So anyway, let's take a look at this sucker. We'll cut open the box and look at it together here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, and hopefully keep everything on camera, which I'm kind of bad for. All right. There we go. Just a note about me. I had esophageal cancer that was diagnosed back in October of last year, 2024, or 2023, I'm sorry. And I just recently had a scan this last week, and they didn't find anything new on imaging. So after the chemotherapy and radiation and surgery, I appear to be in a good state. Hopefully it'll stay that way. Okay, so we got this open here. The comment I made about the Destroy Warrior that I found was awesome was they number their bags so that you can have a much quicker and more pleasant building experience, which looks like they have repeated also with this one, which I'm glad to see. We'll just go ahead and pull out the instructions here real quick. Oh, yep, there's definitely the red one there. There's a slow button on the bottom, which is interesting. Let's see, we'll take a quick flip through here. Previous comment to the Destroy Warrior, and it looks like we're probably in the same situation here. I built another mobile suit type Lego brick thing by a company called Knifeless, and it was a neat build. And one thing that's very nice in their instructions, they give you a lot of information about the mobile suit. They give you its armaments, description of its armaments and armor, and tell you more about the suit itself, which is pretty cool. Whereas the High Godo doesn't appear to delve into the imagination that much on theirs, unfortunately. There's the stickers. I think I've already mentioned that I'm not a big fan of throwing stickers on, but I will say their stickers are very pretty. They got a nice shiny gold foil look to them, and they're nice, and they applied easily with the last one I did, so I'm okay with it. Yeah. Instructions, just like the other one, are really good, where you see the color on them is very good, so you can differentiate the different pieces. They kind of gray out the part was before, so that stuff that's new, you can see it right there. And yeah, so I expect this build experience will be on par with the Destroy Warrior, I should hope. And so I will, of course, put this together here soon and give you the full review after I complete the build. Once again, thank you for watching Stoleno's Reviews. Even if this wasn't so much a review, it was just a quick first look and unboxing. Thanks again to all my subscribers. Please continue to subscribe and hit the like button. I do have a Patreon account. Please consider supporting me on Patreon if you would, and so I can review more stuff. Alright.